Alright guys, we're back with another one. So in the previous one we pretty much completed the entire set. Apart from the extra secret rare Deku and the secret rare Bakugo, which I'll probably end up just buying them. There's no point really opening any more packs. I've still got 2 booster boxes there that probably sitting in both of them, but probably won't open them, we'll see. Put all the other cards in from the 2-pack rival deck, so they're all in there now. It's looking real good, I'm actually really happy. So there's not really much else to open. Well, I thought. Actually come across Series 1 Plus Ultra Tournament Kit. Got the whole thing, so we're going to open that today. I've actually already opened some. I think I opened 6 packets, and then I ran out of sleeves, so we'll continue that today. So there's like 30 something packets. This is the little DLC pack. And then we've just got some empty spaces. Got some ultra rares. And now we've got the promos. So these are the ones that I've already pulled. I actually got these off someone else. So I'll open these ones here. And we're going to open a bunch more today. So let's get to it. So this is what I received. I don't think this is meant for me, but that's alright. We'll open this up and see what all the goodies are. Contents: 32 plus ultra packs, 4 victory packs, 4 Sensei packs, 1 MHA CCG scheduled poster. So this is obviously the poster, which I'm not going to open right now because it looks like it's massive. So I'll just put that to the side and grab out the little baggie. And pull backwards. So that's them there, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 judge packs and 4 victory packs. So we're going to start on these, and then we'll do judge packs and then the victory packs. I think there's only 12 cards you can pull out of these, so hopefully we can get all 12. We've got 3 or 4 of them already, so I shouldn't be too much of an issue, I don't think. I have to be careful with only 1 card being in there though. So I pulled lots of Mount Lady already, so hopefully no more of her. Mina. Mina. Maybe I should give these a bit of a shuffle. I actually pulled 2 of these kits, so if worst comes to worst, I'll open the other one, but I'd like to keep it set. Oh, there we go, there's a new card. Mizo, he's cool. That's a cool card there. I like the blue. That's a hard one to get into. Oh, Sweet, another new one. In the Typhoon. These ones actually open up really good. Gutter Punk Elbow. That one doesn't open well. Alright, let's get that open like that. That's another Mizu. I wonder if there's even numbers of each, or if it's just random assortment. If anyone knows, just let us know in the comment. Who's this one? Mashara? Oh, I'm not too sure how to say that. Another one of them. These packs open way nicer than the Blue My Hero first wave. Another Kangaroo Boy. Oh, we don't have this one. Recipio Acceleration Kick. Nice. That's not one of them. Gutter Punk Elbow. Double Front Beatdown. Nice. Let's just move these out of the way. So one of them. Crow and the Frog Takedown. That's a nice card. I really like that one. I like the artwork. I hope we get more of those. Oh, we do. Yeah, nice. Oh, here we go, All Might. Golden Boy himself. Sorry, I'm kind of doing this off and on camera. It's a little bit awkward with my setup. One day I'll get there with a decent one. Oh, that card's awesome. That's beautiful. Alright, what's that? 4 more to go. Nice. Definitely my favourite card out of the lot so far. Oh, we got another one here. Pillar Swing. Another Pillar Swing. And into the Typhoon. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yeah, all of them. So basically 2 sets, because I've got another All Might kicking around. And also these packs do have the redemption thing on them, so make sure if you do have them to keep them. For those redemptions, for all the other promos that they have. Yeah, alright. Let's move on to these judge packs, eh? I'm actually really interested to see what's in these. Oh, they don't like to open like the other ones. Let's try this way. careful so I don't damage the card. So we got double takedown. Come on, get out of there. Double front beat down. We've already got that. Oh, it says Judge on it, I see. So that's the difference here. This has got Judge written just below the 6. So basically the same card. And, put these over here. Oh, it's definitely got some... They got different hollow foiling on it? No, maybe not. Maybe I'm seeing things. There's redemption on these as well, so I keep them. So we got All Might Judge. Nice. Oh, I hope I get that plus Ultra. That's probably a winner's card. Into the Typhoon. Well, it's a shame it's that card. I mean, it is a nice card, but definitely could have picked a different one. Not sure if it's random or not, or if there is only 4. Gutterpunk Elbow. So definitely 2 really cool looking ones and 2 average looking ones. They definitely have way more hollow foiling and like his glasses, and yeah, no, they're definitely way cooler. All right, let's actually just make a little bit of room. So let's just clear some of these away. Don't worry, I'll be sleeving all these up straight after this video. And to be honest, most of these I'll probably keep. So I just happened to be scrolling the internet one evening and I came across somewhere selling these things. So I took the gamble and wasn't sure if they were even going to turn up, and they did, and can't say that I'm not disappointed. I'm going to leave those out there because those are awesome. And then we've got 4 Judge cards. I might just quickly chuck those in some sleeves. Alright, so we're on to these victory packs now. I'm hoping for a plus ultra or one of these Crow and the Frogs, because these plus ultras are really nice as well. So we'll just see let's see what we get, eh? So we got Recipio Acceleration Kick Victory card. Let's just put it straight in sleeves and not stuff around this time, because I feel like these ones are definitely pretty hard to get. Obviously you got to win a competition to get them, so. Oh, nice. plus Ultra. That's sick. I am absolutely stoked. So I'm probably going to send these off to get graded. The Victory and the Judge cards. And maybe even some of these other ones. We'll see how we go. Alright, so on to the next pack. Also been opening some One Piece as well, which I'm really enjoying. Ooh, Pillar Swing, Victory. That's a nice card, I like that. Alright, it's all sleeved up. And lucky last pack. So hopefully it's this Froppy and that Shadow guy, whatever his name is. And it is awesome. Ah, stoked. Yeah, I like that. That's really nice. Definitely going to get these graded. Like really good condition. Maybe centering might be off a little bit on that side, but it's very hard to tell on this side. But I am not no grading expert. Alright guys, so that wraps up that, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Give us a like and a subscribe if you want to see some more content. I'm going to probably be opening up some Tournament 2 packs once I get my Crimson Rampage in. And then pretty much Wave 3 is already nearly here, so that's pretty much next on the pre-order, along with a bunch of One Piece. So, yeah, I've got some pre-release decks that I'll probably do an opening with. So if you want to check those out, stick around.